Quick and easy way how to add placket to the shirt. Fold in half and sew one end. Trim the seam allowance of the corner and turn it out. Iron the detail. Join together the placket and the front panel. Match them with the help of the notch. For the next step, there are possible two ways. First of them, a bit easier. Simply join all layers with the serger and fix the end. And the final result would be as the black shirt has. Another way, first iron the seam which was made before. Fold another edge of the placket 1 cm and pin. The fold should cover the seam approximately 0.2 cm. But at another side, the pin should be the side of the placket. It cannot catch the placket. The seam going to be on the line where the pin is. The seam does not go on the placket at front. Sew along on the good side. Iron the placket. Instead of buttons, you can choose the snap buttons as we did for the black shirts. For the pink shirts, we make the buttons. First, mark the holes for the buttons. First button goes 3 cm from the top. Mark the top of the button and then the wide of the button. The next button goes 8 cm down. Measure from the bottom part of the previous button, and so on. Make the holes at the marked spots. Cut the holes. According the holes, mark the spots for the buttons at another front placket.